My name is Mary Ann. I'm 53 years old. I was having severe shoulder pain in my left shoulder. It hurt to open the car door, to lift my shirt over my head, and it was very painful. And I'd been having that for about a year before I came to see Sarah. First, did an assessment, about, how movement, the range of movement, and then just started doing a lot of muscle release, and then finding that because of the shoulder that I was compensating, it could be like my hip was out, or coming to see Sarah really, really helped. It was very comfortable, very easy. Sarah's a very good listener. It was very comfortable. I would recommend coming to see Sarah because she is very knowledgeable, has helped me a lot. Just having different problems, I'm able to just call her and she'll have different ideas of things to do. She has helped me with stretches to do at home, different ways of self-treatment, have a lot of body awareness, a lot more than I had when I first came. Just the way that I'm standing, the way I'm walking, just the way that I'm doing things, just became a lot more aware. The tools that Sarah has given me really has changed my life. From not being able to function without painkillers just to get through the day to moving pain-free has just been seriously life-changing. For the longest time, I hadn't been able to do any kind of exercise, not being able to walk. My feet hurt so bad. Even just do the simplest exercises, such as just taking a walk. Since working with Sarah in just this past 4 months, being able to move pain-free, finding out that I am stronger than I ever thought that I would ever be again, I've just been able to just move, and I've actually lost 20 pounds in the past 4 months. Being on the wellness plan, Sarah has motivated me to be more aware of being healthy eating, healthy living. It really has been amazing. I try to exercise at least 5 days a week, working out, at least cardio, which I never thought I was going to be able to do just because of having pain in my feet and pain in my hips. Being able to just move pain-free has been great, and I've just taken advantage of it. Just the aches and pains, such as being stiff when you're getting up and down off the floor, hurting when you get out of bed, those everyday aches and pains that people accept as getting older. It is so wonderful to be able to just be able to do my stretches at night, every night, find that the range of movement is so much greater than I ever thought. I just have to say that the past 10 months now have just been incredible. I never thought that I was able to say that I don't have to take a painkiller to make it through my day.